Space is big, really big. It's a vast expanse that stretches beyond our imagination, filled with wonders and mysteries that have fascinated humanity for centuries. It's full of amazing things like stars and planets. These celestial bodies are not just static objects. They are constantly moving, interacting, and influencing each other in a grand cosmic ballet. Sometimes, these things do a cosmic dance. This dance is a beautiful and intricate performance that can be observed from Earth, showcasing the harmony and balance of our solar system. We call this a solar eclipse. It's one of the most awe-inspiring events that we can witness, where the sun, moon, and Earth align perfectly. A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and Earth. This alignment causes the moon to cast a shadow on Earth, temporarily blocking the sun's light. It's like a giant game of hide and seek, with the moon blocking the sun's light. This phenomenon has intrigued and mystified people throughout history, often being seen as a powerful omen. There are three main types of solar eclipses. Each type offers a unique and breathtaking view of this celestial event. A partial solar eclipse is like the moon taking a little bite out of the sun. It's a subtle yet fascinating display where only a part of the sun is obscured. An annular solar eclipse is when the moon covers the sun's center, leaving a ring of fire around the edges. This happens because the moon is farther away from Earth, making it appear smaller. And then there's the total solar eclipse. This is the most dramatic and rare type of eclipse, where the moon completely covers the sun. This is the big one. During a total solar eclipse, the sky darkens as if it were night, and the stars become visible in the middle of the day. This is when the moon completely covers the sun, turning day into night for a short time. It's a moment of wonder and beauty, reminding us of the incredible dynamics of our universe. Imagine a time long ago, before cars or phones, a time when the world was a much simpler place, and people lived in harmony with nature. They relied on the stars and the sun to guide them through their daily lives. On June 15, 743 BC, something incredible happened. An event so extraordinary that it would be remembered for centuries. The sun vanished from the sky. In the middle of the day, the world was suddenly plunged into an eerie twilight. People were amazed and maybe even a little scared. They had never seen anything like it before and didn't know what to make of it. This wasn't just any eclipse. It was a rare and awe-inspiring event that captured the imagination of everyone who witnessed it. It was the longest total solar eclipse ever recorded. For over 7 minutes the sun was completely obscured by the moon. For over 7 minutes the world was plunged into darkness. It must have felt like the end of the world to those ancient people. We know about this eclipse because ancient people wrote about it. They recorded their experiences and observations in manuscripts and scrolls. It was a big deal. The eclipse was celebrated and remembered as a significant event in their history. This event helped them understand the movements of the sun and moon. It was a key moment in the development of early astronomy. It also showed them the power of nature. The eclipse was a reminder of the incredible forces at work in the universe, forces that were beyond their control. Just like we have eclipses now, people in the future will too. Eclipses have always fascinated humanity, and they will continue to do so for generations to come. Imagine the excitement and anticipation building up as the date approaches. Get ready for this. On July 16, 2186, there will be a super long eclipse. This isn't just any eclipse. It's set to be a record-breaking event. This eclipse will be the longest for over 1,000 years. Imagine witnessing an event that hasn't been seen in such a long time. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The moon's shadow will race across Earth, blocking the sun for a whopping 7 minutes and 29 seconds. But that's not all. The duration of this eclipse will make it a spectacular sight, offering ample time for observation and study. This eclipse will be special because of where it will be visible. The path of totality will cross some unique and beautiful regions of our planet. People in parts of Colombia, Venezuela, and Guyana will get the best view. These areas will be prime spots for witnessing the full glory of the eclipse, making it an unforgettable event for those lucky enough to be there. Space is full of wonder. Solar eclipses are just one example of the amazing things happening above us all the time. So the next time you're outside, take a moment to look up at the sky. You never know what you might see. Maybe you'll even witness a solar eclipse yourself one day. Just remember to never look directly at the sun without special glasses. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep looking up.